Today, I am grateful for the sunrise and the sunset, for the forest full of trees, for the animals and the birds, for the lakes, rivers, and seas. I am grateful for all we have built, our bridges and our streets. I am grateful for the love that binds us and the wind that sometimes knocks us off our feet. In these uncertain times, I am grateful for those who put themselves in danger for us, our saviors, the world warriors. Today and every day, I promise to take care of our planet and all it has to offer. I promise to value our home. I choose to celebrate Earth Day today and every day.
I, Nanda Sharma of class 12D, wish you all a very happy and prosperous Earth Day. As said by Margaret Mead, that never deny that a small group of responsible citizens cannot change the world. Indeed, and they always have been. So, let us together promise ourselves to take care of our earth every passing day. Let us pledge to save our soil and protect our planet Earth. Let us all end our war against nature and together make this world a better place for all of us. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. I am Tashvi Goyal of class 90. Today I am going to tell you something about Earth Day. World Earth Day is commended each year on April 22. It is a yearly occasion celebrated by individuals all across the world. The first time the World Earth Day was celebrated in the year 1970 and afterward began celebrating every year on global premise by right around 192 nations. Our Earth is the main planet known to mankind. It is important to keep up the normal resources of the Earth. April 22 has been set apart as on Earth Day to make the humans get mindful about the significance of their planet. Happy Earth Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Morning to one and all present here. My name is Kritika and I am a student of class 12D. On this great occasion of Earth Day, I would like to express my views. So, let's begin. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April every year. It is a yearly occasion celebrated by all across the individuals of the world. It is celebrated to show support for environmental protection. Our Earth is the main planet to know the mankind. It is important to keep up the normal resources of the Earth. Our Earth is our future. Our world is in our hands. Always remember, Earth can live without us, but we cannot live without it. So, make every day as Earth Day and save your planet. I wish you a very happy Earth Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good evening everyone. I am Yashita Bhatla of class 12D. Today is April 22nd, the day of our Mother Earth. The aim of celebrating Earth Day is to protect and save our environment. Our Earth is the most beautiful place to live on. From the valleys to the ocean, from the mountains to the forest, every part is really very beautiful. The bounties of Earth are enough to quench the thirst of human, but the greed of human is destroying this paradise. So, I request that every day, literally every day, must be celebrated as Earth Day. Do save this planet, to save our Mother Earth. Thank you.
Afternoon, one and all present here. I am Sachi Goyal of class 8D. Today I am going to recite a poem on Earth Day. When you see the green mountains and feel the lush valleys, note that they were all yours. Cherish them the more you will. The more you will be thankful for the time you spent between them. When you look up to the shining star, be eager to know how they were made. Learn about space and time, the treasure of grants of the burning orbs, and then create a connection, for they resemble your love. If your eyes ever get a chance, glance towards the sky, for it shows what we have got. It is not all about the beauty on earth is widespread. Learn to respect it, and it will embarrass you instead. Happy Earth Day to all of you. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear friends and my dear teachers. Today, I, Kashmi Goyal, student of Maharaja Agustin Model School, is going to tell you some interesting facts about Earth Day. Healthy planet is not an option; it is a necessity. Earth Day, which is marked as an annual event on 22nd March, It is celebrated to show dedication of all the countries towards environmental protection. This year, that is 2021, we are going to celebrate its 51st anniversary. Earth Day has assigned a different theme for each year. This year, it is Restore our Earth. And let me tell you, 1 billion people from 192 countries all over the world are actively participating in activities of Earth Day. And we cannot celebrate Earth Day on a particular day, that is 22nd March, but every day we can follow the following measures. Clean up nearby plastic. Use 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse, recycle. Use the native plants. Plant a plant every year. And most important, conserve water. You cannot get through a single day without getting the impact of the world around you. What you decide makes a difference on the world around you. So it is in your hands to decide what kind of difference you may want to make to your world. A beautiful line by Jane. I hope you will follow it. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Hello everyone. My name is Hitesh Mehta. I am a student of class 12th A of Maharaja Agrasen Model School, Pitampura. On the occasion of Earth Day, and considering all the harm and the pitiful condition that has caused to the Mother Earth due to various inhumane human activities, I have composed a poem on the title with the title The Ailing Planet, the Mother Earth. So here it goes. The only planet where inhumane humanity exists. It's the paradise where life operates. Quite unfortunately, the creatures are creep. The perfidious humans can never ever embrace. Every species has its own surroundings to which it can happily deface. But the biodiversity we are trying to destroy will defend till it stays. One should never doubt the quality of ill treatment provided, but the unfortunate fact is that the love is only and only one-sided. But the Mother Earth has now become conscious, restoring itself and seeking vengeance. One such result is a catastrophe that gives us a good repentance. Tsunamis, earthquakes, and floods are the disasters to be generally seen. Life is crying because it's not clean. Earth is dying because it's not green. Intimidators are innumerable, but the creators are just a few. Essentials are food, clothing, and shelter. But why inhumanity in lieu? A few years after, the trees will be gone. The waters will become venomous. But unfortunately, there will be no one for them to mourn. Perhaps it's not too early. Perhaps it's not too late. It's the correct and the right time for us to ameliorate the nature state. I hope you have liked my poem. Thank you and have a nice day.